Hi everyone, Pamela here again. I just wanted to share something today. And what would you do if you had a very tough situation or tough decision that you're facing, that you're about to make a decision? How would you evaluate and make the decision and decide which is the best solution for yourself? So recently, something that I learned was using the ICED technique. ICE as in ICED. I is to first identify the problem. So whatever situation or whatever issue that you're having, you need to first identify it. Once you have identified the problem, then you go to C. What does C means? Come out with solutions, right? So basically you have to come up with many different types of solutions. Once you have come up with many solutions, what you will have to do is evaluate. E is for evaluate. Evaluate which is the best choice at that moment for you to make. You could have many choices, you could have many solutions to a problem, but at that moment, what would be the best solution for yourself based on that current situation? You have to think of, at that point in time, what would be able to help you best solve that problem so that you can move on. So which comes to the last part, which is D. What does D means? It means having a decision, right? After you have identified the problem, come up with the solutions, evaluate all your options, basically you are able to make a decision. Whatever decision that you make at that point in time, there is no good or bad, right or wrong. It is all based on what is best at that point in time. Sometimes we may, look back, I should have made another decision, right? If you were to look back sometime later and says, hey, back then I should have made another decision which was better. But back then you never thought about that solution. So no matter what decision you make, be it, I would say that no matter a good, bad, right, wrong, it could have been the best solution at that point in your life, that was why you made it. So no matter what decision you make back then, don't look back and don't regret, because you just need to move on, and you never know, what things could come along or change your life, because whatever decision you make back then would have been the best choice that you have thought about it. So just move on, and you never know what would happen next. And to me, whatever decision you make, it's actually the best decision, because you know yourself the best. We all know ourselves the best. So I never regret the decisions that I make and I take, because I know that at that point in my life, at that situation, at that circumstances, that was the best decision I had to make. And I just move on. And I think no matter whatever you are going through in life, it does not matter. Just continue moving, and things will just unveil. Alright, this is a short sharing for today. I'll see you again. Bye.